Standing in line at the grocery store, sitting in rush hour traffic. We spend so much of our lives waiting. The last thing anybody wants to do is wait for a slow website to load. But fast websites don't just enhance user experience. As a characteristic of site health, they also get rewarded with higher rankings on Google. So let's review a few tips to speed things up. Your website's CSS, HTML, and JavaScript files should be smaller than 150 megabytes. If they're larger, compress them so that the files will load faster. Export image files at 72 dpi and make sure they're only as large as they need to be. Does your page include GIFs, videos, carousels, or slides? If so, consider how these interactive elements appear on mobile devices, and if necessary, modify or disable them to improve efficiency. If you don't have images on your website, you really should. And if you do, consider using a CDN rather than your website's media library. CDNs render images faster and more efficiently. The simplest and most important tip of all is to make sure your web host can handle your website's traffic and is well matched to your CMS. Server issues are a sure way to make users click away. For more tips to improve your website site speed and you're standing on Google, check out the full resource guide on our website, Koroberi.com. No waiting involved.